people hear the word crypto mining, they instantly imagine giant server rooms, heavy electricity bills, and expensive GPUs running all day. But that image is quickly changing. Today, I'm going to tell you about some cloud mining platforms that are making mining simple, secure, and profitable without you having to buy or maintain any hardware yourself. These platforms are trending in the market right now, and for good reason. We will go through them one by one, understand what they do, why people are talking about them, and how you can use them to your advantage. First is ECOS. This is not just a mining platform, it's a complete crypto investment ecosystem. Here you get flexible mining contracts, transparent pricing, and an easy to use dashboard that makes it perfect for both beginners and experienced investors. ECOS has been operational since 2017 and is registered in Armenia's free economic zone, which adds to its credibility. One of the reasons it is getting attention right now is because the crypto market is showing signs of recovery. Investors are looking for safe passive income options, and ECOS offers exactly that with flexibility for both small and large investors, plus extra services like a wallet, an exchange, and portfolio management. Second is Axaminer. This platform started in 2020 and is based in the US, which immediately give it a trust factor because it operates under regulations. Security and compliance are its biggest strength, which means your funds and mine crypto are well protected. You can control your mining from both the website and the mobile app. There is no need to purchase expensive mining equipment or worry about maintenance. Examiner offers daily payouts, so you don't have to wait long to see your returns. And their transparent earning reports combined with reliable customer support make it easy to trust them. The reason Examiner is trending because investors right now are learning toward platforms that have a proven track record and operate within a regulated framework. With market uncertainty, trust is becoming the most important factor, and Axaminer delivers on that. Third is mining token. This platform has a very different approach to cloud mining. Instead of buying contracts, you purchase tokens that represent mining power. These tokens entitle you to receive profits from the mining operations. The token-based entry means it is a very easy to trade your mining power if you need liquidity. This model gives you two benefits. You can earn from mining, and you can also trade the tokens if the market moves in your favor. Competitive pricing and clear contract terms make it attractive to both new and experienced crypto users. The reason it is gaining attention is because tokenization is a growing trend in the crypto world. We have seen it in real estate, commodities, and now in mining. Investors like the flexibility of this approach, and mining token is riding that wave successfully. Fourth is Zaminer. This platform is designed for those who believe in green energy and sustainable mining. One of the criticisms of traditional crypto mining is its environmental impact, but Zaminer has addressed that by focusing on eco-friendly operations. They use clean energy and top-tier equipment for maximum efficiency. The user dashboard is simple, security is strong, and the mining process is as smooth as it gets. Globally, the conversation about climate change and sustainability is getting louder, and crypto is not exempt from this discussion. By taking an eco-conscious approach, Zaminer has built a niche that appeals to a growing segment of investors who care about where and how their profits are made. This environmental awareness combined with efficiency and reliability is exactly why Zaminer is in the spotlight right now. Finally, we have BMine Club. This platform offers a hybrid model that combines cloud mining with ACIC hosting services. If you want to own mining hardware but cannot set up it at home, BMine will host and manage it for you. You can even opt for fractional ownership of ASIC miners, which means you can invest a smaller amount but still benefit from the returns of a full miner. You can also get remote control of your mining and flexible pricing options. This is perfect for people who want to be more directly involved in mining without dealing with technical setups, maintenance issues, or electricity bills. Fractional ownership and hosting have made mining more accessible to a much wider audience, which is why BMine's model is trending right now. So why are all these platforms making noise in the market at the same time? The common thread is accessibility, security, and flexibility. These platforms remove the high barrier to entry that traditional mining has, allowing more people to participate with less capital and less technical knowledge. Right now, the market's fear of missing out is high, and people want to get involved in mining quickly without huge investment or risk. On top of that, Bitcoin's price sentiment is looking positive, which makes an idea of mining and earning BTC even more appealing. Cloud mining fits perfectly into this narrative, and that is why platforms like ECOS, Axaminer, Mining Token, Zeminer, and BMine are trending right now. So CoinGip family, these are some of the top trending cloud mining platforms that can give you an easy and profitable entry into the crypto space. Whether you are a beginner looking for your first passive income opportunity or an experienced trader wanting to diversify, there is something here for everyone. You have regulated platforms like Axaminer, eco-friendly mining with Zeminer, tokenized mining through Mining Token, hybrid hosting with BMine, and all-in-one ecosystem with ECOS. Each of these has its own strength, and the choice depends on your investment goals and comfort level. I have mentioned all the official link for these platforms in the description below, so make sure to check them out. Do your own research before investing, see which platform aligns with your needs, and take your first step into the world of cloud mining. And as always, I want to hear from you. Drop a comment and tell me which of these platforms caught your attention the most and why. That's all for today's video. CoinGip family, stay smart, stay safe, and I will see you in the next one.